There's a fellow following me.
I'm a fellow following you. I will follow you till the day is through.
I wonder what you would do if I stopped and said, how do you do, like other girls do.
I think I'd die with delight. I'd wanna call and love you tonight.
In the parlor?
No.
In the hammock?
No.
Then for goodness sake, where will we go?
Out on the old front porch.
Move over, Charlie.
On the old front porch.
Now stop.
I was only trying to steal a little kiss.
Your kisses do delight me, dear, but please don't hug so tightly.
On the old front porch. Now don't get angry on the old front porch.
Now stop.
Everything is lovely when you're cuddled near me, dear.
Look out, here comes my father. He'll surely scold, I fear.
Will that young man go home tonight or have his breakfast here?
On the old front porch, oh Charlie.
On the old front porch.
Just come back some other night. I'll see that Papa's out of sight.
Wait until it's dark, then you will see. Cuddled right on my knee.
So that we can do lots of nice things and no one can see.
And if your dreadful old pa should come out and give me a jar,
you must understand, if it's dark, that's grand, 'cause the kicks he makes will never land.
Out on the old front porch.
Now hold me, Charlie, on the old front porch. Please don't.
I was only trying to steal a little kiss.
Your kisses do delight me, dear, but you tried to bite me
on the old front porch. Now don't get angry on the old front porch.
Please don't.
Everything is lovely when you're cuddled near me, dear.
Look out, here comes my father. He'll surely scold, I fear.
Will that young man go home tonight or have his breakfast here?
On the old front porch, oh Charlie. On the old front porch.
La 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 la. On the old front porch. Yat-tat-tat-toot.